Sunlight is very damaging to the skin and is a primary cause for the epidemic increase in skin cancer today. Children are especially vulnerable to sun damage because they spend so much more time outdoors than adults usually do. And having a sunburn at a very young age increases their risk for skin cancer. I think the important points to make when we're thinking about sun protection is that there are many things that you can do to protect yourself. You can avoid midday sun, usually between 10 and 4. You can seek shade. It's often advisable to use sun protection clothing, a wide brim hat, sunglasses, as well as sunscreen. A sunscreen of an SPF 15 will protect you approximately 93% from the burning sun rays. An SPF 30, approximately 97%. And you will get a tiny bit more if you use SPFs higher than a 30. Studies have shown that we generally put on less than half the thickness that we should, and that drops down the SPF a lot. So an SPF 50 may actually be more of an SPF 7 if you don't put on enough. Testing for SPF has been done at a certain level, and to achieve that, you generally need to use approximately 1/4 teaspoon to the face. If you're treating or covering the entire body, it's approximately an ounce for the non-covered surfaces. In Hawaii, we have a tremendous amount of ultraviolet radiation that is usually at a very high level throughout the year. So unlike other places in the United States where the radiation level can vary, in Hawaii we have usually very high to even higher than that ultraviolet light radiation. The sunscreen, it comes as a daily use sunscreen, water resistant and very water resistant. And when we are outdoors, we will have the sunscreen come off. And so a reapplication is very important. On the average, at least 2 hours, but if you're swimming and wiping off the sunscreen, then it should be applied more often.
Teach your children to put on sunscreen.